Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Anisha. Guys, okay, Ragini and Anisha, okay. Other students who are offline or online, a small announcement. Tomorrow will start at 11:30.
Okay, sir.
Because what happened, the previous batch will get finished by 11:30, we are free. We'll start at 11:30 to 2:30.
Okay, sir.
Say 3 hours. So we done with probability distributions. Okay, there are some points which you have to write. Okay, I'll open that.
मुझे समझ नहीं आया।
ठीक है, मैं रिपीट करता हूँ। अच्छा, आपने बता दिया ना? अच्छा, आपने बोल दिया ना मुझे, तो क्लियर हो गया।
वो आपने एग्जांपल्स गूगल पे सर्च करके लाना है।
हाँ,
तो फिर हम एग्जांपल सर्च किए तो मल्टीपल करके तो मुझे समझ नहीं आया।
ठीक है। Online students able to see the screen, guys? Cross check.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write this one, which is color, yellow color for you. Done, everyone? Shall I?
Yes, sir.
One second, guys. I'm just checking one thing. Okay. All right. Along with me faster, please. And you leave the space and start writing. Okay. Later in a break, I'll give you time to write. Estimation. I'm just giving a definition. This last week. Just write the yellow. Guys, just write the header name, which is in yellow. Done. Write this one. This is the formula. Done, everyone? Shall I change? Write this one, guys. Write this as first example. You write the example, I'll explain the topic. Done. Leave some space. Leave one page and write this to example. Because they are in a similar line, guys, which has to be solved one by one. Both. Do first one. One page, just front one page. Hello. Guys, I'll explain the concept. I'm changing a screen for you. So here we have population and sample. Guys, cross check. I make you write something called stratified sampling prior. I believe not. You just have a look one time. No, stratified sampling, something. No. Okay. We do that later. On screen. On screen. We're starting with central limit. That what is the meaning of central? Middle. Limit means range. Theorem means some formulas. Okay, there has to be some basic formulas available for you. Now let's say here we have two things. We have population and sample. What is the meaning of population? What is the meaning of sample, guys? Layman language. Population means entire data. Simple way can we say population of entire India? Okay. Let's say I want to collect. You. I'm not able to see your face. Okay. We have age. Okay. Let's say I collected age of entire India. Okay. 24, 26. Each and every person I go and keep on asking the age and I keep on writing the data. 27, 29, 79, and so on. Till you're clear? And so on, we have 10,000 rows. How many rows we have? 10,000. From this 10,000 rows, guys, can we pick up any 5 sample, any 5 rows? 18, 24, 28, 27, 26. Possible? So sample come from population. Okay. Now the definition which we have written, okay, can we compute mean of population? Let's say mean of population, age. Age is a variable, okay. In age, we have how many rows? 10,000 rows. Example I'm taking, I compute mean. Sum of all divided by number of observation, I get average value as 29. Can we compute mean of this, guys? Possible? Let's say I'm getting as 23 or 25. Till you're clear? So when I apply function means mean. When I apply any function on population, we call as parameter. So mean become for me as now parameter. Till you're clear? When I apply any function on sample, this mean will become for me as statistics. Till you're clear? दोनों जगह मेन ही है, एक पॉपुलेशन पे है तो पैरामीटर, सैंपल में है वी कॉल एज स्टैटिस्टिक्स. चलिए क्लियर. Next we have guys something known as estimation, the process of guessing, okay, the value of population parameter, okay, using sample observation is called estimation. So let's do one by one. What we need to guess? Population का parameter guess करना है. Okay. What is the parameter for us, guys? Mean. Process of guessing the value of population parameter. Can I say value means 29? ये क्या करना है हमें इसको guess करना है. So let's say we don't know the number. Clear, clear. So we need to guess what is the value of population. Mean value of population. Okay. Using sample observation. Can we call this is a sample? Okay. It's called estimation. So guys, what we do? We compute mean of sample. What is the mean value? 25. If I compute mean of sample, we call statistics. So what we do? We say that this sample value is equal to population value. Clear? Yes. we guess that sample mean is 25, so population mean will also be 25. This way of guessing is called estimation. What is the meaning of statistics, guys? When we compute mean, this mean is called as a function called, the entire thing is called as statistics. On screen, I'll give you time to write, Kiran. Entire thing is called as statistics. Which function I use, guys? Mean. So mean is called as estimator. And 25 is called as estimate. Entire process is called as estimation. Concept clear? मतलब पॉपुलेशन की वैल्यू को गेस करने को हम बोलते हैं एस्टिमेशन. गेस करने के लिए जब फंक्शन यूज करोगे उसको आप बोलोगे एस्टिमेटर. उसकी वैल्यू को एस्टिमेट. That estimator estimate will become statistics for us. चलिए clear? Draw as an example for you. Done, guys. Move forward. Okay. Now you have written some definition for central limit theorem, correct? Can you read what you have written, anyone? You have written let x1, x2, xn are independently identically distributed random variable. So let's say age. Person age 24, 21, 19, 23, 26, and so on. So can I call age as a variable? So I call this as x. What is the first value of x? We call this as can I say every person age is independent of each other? Point number one clear. Second point. With each, with mean mu and variance sigma square. So can we compute mean of this guys? This one. If this is a sample, if I compute mean, okay, we call this as mean compute कर रहे हैं sample का, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? Statistics. जब हम guess करेंगे तो estimate. We are not guessing now. If I compute standard deviation, or we compute variance. This is also one type of function. तो इसको भी हम क्या बोलेंगे? Statistics. Any function applied on sample is called statistics. Clear? Next point. So guys, here the standard deviation formula is slightly modified, which we have sigma by root n. Or if you want variance, this is the formula for center limit theorem. Okay. Center limit theorem is used when we have sample size. Sample size means n. How many rows we have? That rows has to be greater than or equal to 30. Agar less than 30 hai, we cannot use. More than 30, we can use. Yes. More than 30, we can apply center limit. Last point, if we have a large sample, means number of rows are more than 30. X1, X2, Xn, dream from any population, means we taken from any population. This is not dream, this is drawn this. Drawn matlab pick up. You drawn from any population with mean mu and variance sigma square. Then the sampling distribution of statistics. Iska यह starts. I want to find this distribution. Is normal with mean mu and variance sigma square by. We see the data is normal, so is mean is also be normal. If I say my data is normal, okay, my mean will also follow normal. Second scenario, guys, what the definition means. Let's say we have a population entire India. How many people we have, guys? 140 CR. Can you pick up any sample from your using randomly? You pick up any data. You pick up sample number 1. In first sample, you have 100 people. Possible. And you collected every person age. Possible. From here, you pick up sample number 2. You pick up how many people? Again 100. Can you compute age of this? This way, guys, you pick up how many number of sample? 50. In each subset, how many data we have? 100, 100, 100. And we compute mean. If every 100 rows follow normal distribution, then their mean, x1 bar mean, this will become x2 bar mean, this will become x50. So how many means I have? 50. When we draw the mean, all 50 mean like this way. If we get this shape, what we say mean is normal. Mean come from sample. Can we say sample is normal? Sample come from population. Can we say population is normal? This is called central limit theorem. The central limit theorem is used when our sample is normal and the sample statistics is also normally distributed. Draw this one, guys. So you have written the formulas also. We'll solve example now. So for central limit, we have to use this formulas every time. Because when sample size is more than 30, we have to use this Z. If sample size is less than 30, we use x minus mu upon sigma. On screen. So here we have the life of a certain product has mean 10,000. What is the mean value? So we write mu as 10,000. Standard deviation is 200. Find the probability that average life of 49 units, n is 49. Can I say this is more than 30? If it is more than 30, we have to use central limit. Clear? Next, not less than 1050. Let's say x is the life of a product. We have taken x as the life of the product. Okay, x bar is the life of the product. So here's a probability of, find the probability that the average life. So we have taken x bar. X bar is not less than means guys greater than. Clear? Can you solve this? What is the equation for central limit? Z is equal to so what do we needed over here? X bar minus mu, taking minus mu on both the side, dividing both the side by sigma and root n. अच्छा आप यहाँ बैठ जाइए, तो नहीं दिख रहा। यहीं बैठ। अच्छा ठीक है। हाँ ठीक है, आप यहीं बैठ जाइए। Clear? I'm repeating, guys. You're taking minus mu on both the side. Okay, so which is 1050 minus 1000. Dividing both the side by sigma and root n. Sigma is how much? What is root n? Can you solve this? This become P of Z. Z is greater than. Solve and give me the number. Same table. Guys, you have to use the same table of Z which I have given you prior. Actually, How much is the value after calculation? This is 4 point. Make a diagram, guys. So we're talking about this area. What is the value over here? आपको आ रहे हैं? पहले माइनस कीजिए, कितना होगा? 1050 डिवाइड बाय 1000, 50 डिवाइड बाय कीजिए. यू हैव साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर ना, उससे करो ना डायरेक्टली फिर. Anyone if you can get the calculator? You can use laptop, manageable ना. तो यहाँ किससे यूज करो? आपको डिफिकल्टीज आ रही है ना? How much this value is? 4991. Correct? This number? 0.591 I'm getting. .4591 I'm getting. Let's cross check. मैं देखता हूँ. 4599. Then you do 0.5 overall minus given area. %. Anisha, Ragini able to solve?
Yes, sir.
In this, within this second example, आप टाइम लीजिए, आराम से कीजिए, ठीक है? The value of x will lies between 975 and x bar less than 105. Actually, P of z greater than 1.75. एक ग्राफ बनाइए ऐसा नॉर्मल शेप. सेंटर में लाइन ड्रॉ कीजिए. एंड राइट 0. कोई 1.75 या नेगेटिव होगा, पॉजिटिव होगा, तो ये यहाँ पे आएगा. तो एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दीजिए. यहाँ पे होगा नंबर 1.75. मैंने ग्रुप में एक फोटो सेंड किया था. 1.7 रो वाइज देखिए, कॉलम वाइज 0.05. कॉलम से, कॉलम मतलब यहाँ ऊपर से 0.05. नीचे आइए, वहाँ पे इंटरेक्ट होते हैं वो दोनों. हो गया। तो ये एरिया कितना है देखो, यहाँ 0 से लेके यहाँ तक का एरिया कितना था 0.4599। प्रोबेबिलिटी हाफ होती है, तो ये हाफ की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है 0.5। सो टोटल माइनस गिवन, तो क्या मिलेगा अपने को रिमेनिंग एरिया, तो अपने को ये मिल जाएगा। तो इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी मिली हमें 0. माइनस में होगी डेट वैल्यू, ये यूनिवर्सल है। 0 से लेके जो आगे जाएगा वो 0.5, 0 से पीछे वो 0.5, दोनों मिलाकर तो क्या जाएगा 1। दैट इज द रेंज प्रोबेबिलिटी। अब इसके लिए सॉल्व कीजिए। ऐसे लिखना है, देखिए सेम। So 0.87 का what is the answer? Perfect. So what we're trying to say कि value will be between these two. So you just have to do addition. Anisha, Ragini, what is the answer for this one?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I have one question.
Yes, Ragini.
How do we take that
Yeah,
0.3078?
Okay. If you remember, I have given one image in the WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir.
Okay, open that.
Yes, I have opened that one.
If you can see 0.08.
Yes.
You could just go to 0.8 from the row wise, and from the column wise 0.07.
Yes.
You get 0.3078.
Okay. Okay, sir.
You have, if you want help, I can show you like this way. Here you have X. You have to go 0.8 over here, row wise. And here you have 0.00, 0.01, 0.07. You look at over here, there will be some value over here. Able to do, Ragini?
Sir, got it.
Okay. Guys, try to solve the second example. मैं सॉल्व करने बताओ कैसे लिख रहे हो? हाँ, फिर से और एक है ना, वो सेंड और एक बार आगे। So बैक कैसे जाते हैं? फर्स्ट लिखो, बताता हूँ। नीचे का एरो प्रेस कीजिए, एरो एरो ये ना, चारों एरो, गोल सर्कल सर्कल, हाँ नीचे कीजिए, आप फिर से प्रेस कीजिए, आगे नीचे। If you all are able to solve for the first example, do for the second one.
So what is the X?
X. A large population has mean weight 70 kg. So your mean is?
U is 70. 100
Unit X bar is your sample mean. SD पे क्लिक करो, SD सेम है। What do you have in the first one? आप लोग आगे छोड़ दीजिए उनको। एक भी सब प्रोसेस सॉल्व करने आया ना, बाकी आप खुद कर लोगे। बराबर है, इसका ग्राफ नहीं है, इसका ग्राफ नहीं है। Between 69 and try to solve by 69 minus 70 . Perfect. Solve this one. अभी इन दोनों के रेंज है, दोनों के बीच में वो वाला भी निकालिए। 0.8 कहीं है रो वाइज। 0.7 ना, 8.7 है ना, तो 8 का हो गया, बचा क्या? 7 पे जाओ। 7 पे नहीं देख रहे हो? हाँ 0.30 दोनों को ऐड करना पड़ेगा ना, कि तो वैल्यू इन दोनों के बीच में है जी, तो दोनों का एडिशन हो गया. Write the solution for this. We get as 81.85%. Bye. At most is maximum. Correct. Perfect. 84.13. Online students, I'm not writing the steps. I've written the shortcut. Are you comfortable with this? Should I write the steps? Correct. Second one, the KJ.
Yes, sir.
Done, everyone? Ragini, Anisha, done for you?
Yes, sir. Checking the value, so.
Okay. Two. Done. Guys, once you're done for checking, guys, if you're done, I need to write one topic. Okay. Let me write first. Write along with me, guys. It's okay. You can write along with me. No, it is a theory point. You'll be using in case study. You take your time, you write. So guys, this one, average is 24. Here you write range, or we call as a limit. This is 22 to 24. And this one. Online students have written this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Next, we just have to write the theory point, guys. We'll be using in case study. Okay. Write this one, first method, second method, with the header name also. Guys, you have to write method 1, method 2 also. Done, everyone? Second method. So you're writing the first one done. Second one, then level of significance. So what's wrong with that? Okay. Guys, repeating. Till yesterday, whatever we have done in statistics, study and calm, we will do solution in Python. Python will take only half an hour. I'm repeating. Python will take only half an hour to study and calm. Study means see same example, see solution, how it solves, everything.
Now exam.
Yes. Not examination. But I will be teaching you how to do stats in Python.
Achha, okay. Okay.
So if I'm doing means you should have a theory knowledge and you should know how solution works.
Sir, if you don't mind, will you please scroll up 1 minute? I missed a point here. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Python तो आपका easy है. आप ये यूज करते हो, उससे आपका एक्सेल इजी है. पीपल वो नहीं होना तो एक्सेल में डिफिकल्ट होता है. Done this one, guys. Let's start the basic explanation. About what is the meaning of hypothesis, what is the meaning of estimation. Okay. When I say estimation, estimation means we need to guess some number or we say guessing. Well, up on screen. Okay. There are two types of estimation. One is point estimation, second one is interval estimation. Let's take a scenario. You go for an interview. Okay, in interview, they say, we hire a candidate with average salary 3.5. Okay. So can I say, when you go for interview, your mindset will be what? At least I will be getting 3.5. If they say in interview, the range of salary will be starting from 3 to 5. What is the indication? In between. So interval estimation means a value will rise between up and down, upper and lower limit. Point estimation means exact number. So exact prediction is not accurate every time. Interval estimation is better. Clear? Next. We have written something known as null hypothesis. Have written null hypothesis? No. You will write down with me. One second. Right? Testing of hypothesis. Okay, sometime I do erase also now. Done. Guys, notation wise, null hypothesis H0 is called as null hypothesis. And H1 is called as
Hello, sir.
yes.
Your screen is not visible.
So sorry. You can write this. This is just a name. Either you use notation, either you write a name. The meaning is same. Okay. Null hypothesis means, guys, I'm just giving a definition. There's a meaning of this. Well, exist in nature or truly believe. Right? Truly believe or exist in nature. Second, H1 means we need to check or we are finding something. I'll give you a simple scenario, guys, to understand what is the meaning of H0 and H1. Okay. Let's say example, there is one person called ABC. Okay. This is ABC student or an applicant or a patient. This person have fever. Guys, if you get a fever, what we do? Doctors. So we go to doctors. Looking at a fever, doctors say you have COVID. So doctor give you some medicine 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Then also it is not curable, then doctor have a dicey situation. Either he may have or he may don't have. So what do he do? He prefer to do a test. Okay. So we do RT-PCR test, we do. Can we say after doing a test, we get a report? Then we show this report to doctors. Then doctor give conclusion whether a person have COVID or a person negative or don't have COVID or say in terms of COVID, it's very critical. We write that a person have malaria or the person don't have malaria. Either no malaria or malaria. Repeating scenario, there is an ABC person. Okay. ABC person have a fever, he go to doctor, he do a test. So based on test, based on looking at the patient, doctor never suggests you have malaria or not. We need to do a test. Based on test report, doctor can give a conclusion. Clear? So when I say truly believe, when you go to doctor, how many days doctor give medicine, guys? 3 to 4 days doctor try a medicine. So can I say doctor is believing you don't have malaria? Anything about the viral fever giving a medicine? When it is not treatable, he suggests to go for test. Based on test report, doctor conclude whether you have malaria or not. Clear? So can I say we are finding whether you have malaria or not? So can I say H1, doctor believe there is no malaria versus H1. After certain days, doctor need to check whether you have malaria, right? Doctor believe no malaria and start giving you medicine versus H1. Now what happened? Doctor believe but the point, write this one. So H0 is something we believe. Done this one, guys? Okay. Now, guys, we have a concept, something known as one tail and two tail. Second scenario, okay. A logical scenario will take to explain you what is H0 and H1. I say truly believe or exist in nature. Okay. Guys, before meeting in Emarticus, do you know me? Okay. Now do you know me? You can see me, you can talk with me. On this basis, you can say Irfan sir or Irfan exists in nature. Okay. So a personal question will prove in starts. Okay. How many people believe there is a God? How many people believe that there is a God? Entire world in your life. You believe, yes or no? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3. The people who are not believer, you are safe. People who are believer, you tell me on what basis you believe. Have you talked? Have you walked? Have you discussed? There has to be some basis, no? On what basis you have belief? Okay, perfect. It has been taught to us from our childhood that there is a God existence. Okay, who teach you? Everyone. People who live over here. When a baby is born, we learn from our family members. Main role is of a mother. Mother play a very critical role to explain and teach each and every point. Correct? Who teach your mother? Their mother. Who teach their mother? Their mother. So can I say it's come from the ancestor? And any of our ancestor or any links have forced the God. Ancestor means your grandfather. Ancestor. Cestor. Means my dad, then so on. The backward you go into your family, okay? Okay. So that is called as an ancestor. So we believe ancestor, we come from believing from ancestors. There is a God exists. So it's proven. God exists in nature. Clear? But we have not seen, we have not find, we have not talked. Versus H1. Now question comes, what should be H1? Okay. There is a movie, if you have watched something known as PK. Who is the hero? What is doing in the entire movie? Searching God. So can I say this guy is checking where is a God? He go to masjid, temple, okay, to church, correct? So H1 means finding where is a God. H0, we believe there is a God exists. Got the point, guys? What is the meaning of H0 and H1? I just explain you this definition, nothing else. Till you clear? Okay. We'll move forward. Guys, there comes any conclusion. There is no God. They'll give you whatever common answer that we write. So guys have taken a hypothetical situation. We'll prove the situation with numbers. Okay, 1 second. I'm just scrolling page. Write like this way. Right, you just write like this way, guys. Whatever the point you have written, it will be proved with the help of case study, like decision rule, method 1, method 2, alpha value, one-sided, will be proved with the help of maths only. Okay. You have some space, just leave 4 or 5 space, 4 or 5 lines, and then you start writing new page. Petty test. Write this faster, please. Only write the yellow color, okay? Just write the yellow color. Wireless net. NET. Done. So write this formulas, guys. Once again. Write this formulas. Guys, write this example.
So please scroll up, no? Formula. Little bit up. Yeah. Thank you, sir. It's done.
Write this example.
Sir, unable to see the screen.
Now check.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Level of significance. अब LOC हाँ बस साइन करके मैं यहाँ पर सिग्निफिकेंस आपने लिखा तो है टॉपिक अल्फा की वैल्यू 1 5 10 done guys with example. Nine. Okay. Shubham absent. राहुल ने आप रिक्वेस्ट कर देंगे ऑनलाइन मोड हाँ एग्जाम guys will stop now. Anisha, Ragini, I'm reminding for you tomorrow 11:30.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll stop now.
Sir, request sir, आज का notes भी drive पे please.
Okay. I will accumulate every notes on one page, then I'll give you on drive.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, when will be having Python exam?
This weekend. No? I've given the date also.
This weekend.
21. I've given date. Wednesday only last week.
But sir, Monday, you said no, sir.
You're talking about the normal test, classroom test.
Yeah, classroom test. Yeah.
Once I complete this statistics some part, no, then
okay.
I can take.
Including statistics and Python?
No, it's different.
Okay.